7 Bollywood stars who became poor. Number 7. Parveen Babi. She was the most beautiful actress of her time. Due to bad habits, she suffered from loneliness and that took her into bad phase. She was found unconscious. Number 6. Shweta Basu Prasad. She did an amazing work in the movie Makdi in childhood. But during her early adulthood, she got into a racket and things changed from there. Even though all the cases against her were later declined, it was still a great shock to the industry. Number 5. Neeraj Vora. He gave movies like Man, Akele Hum, Akele Tum, etc. But due to a severe brain stroke, his life turned upside down. No one was ready to help him, and then Firoz Nadiadwala stepped in. Number 4. Satish Kaul. We saw him in the movie Karma with Dilip Kumar, Dara Singh and more. He also played the role of Lord Indra in B.R. Chopra's Mahabharat. He faced financial crisis at the age of 70 but will be making a comeback in Punjabi cinema. Number 3. Bhagwan Dada. He is in trend nowadays because of his song Oh Beta Ji. He had to sell his bungalow and 7 cars. He used to live in chawls in his last days. Number 2. A.K. Hangal. He worked in more than 200 movies in his lifetime. But in the last days, he battled acute poverty and bankruptcy. He didn't even had money to pay for his own medical expenses. Number 1. Bharat Bhushan. Bharat Bhushan was one of the best actors of his time. Bharat Bhushan never had the habit of saving what he got, and this led to his downfall. When he couldn't get any roles, he had to become a watchman of a movie studio. Thanks for watching.